Hello folks, Gethin here, trying to demonstrate the time remapping bug in Premiere. This is a 1080 sequence and a 1080 clip there, just to have a bottom clip. This is a 5K clip. I'll drop that on there, resize it, but it also does it with 4K clips and sometimes with 1080 as well. So just to make it obvious where the end of it is, and that is the whole clip there. Oops, let's make it a nested sequence first, because that's where the problem is. I'm going to grab okay, yeah, let's forget about that. I'm going to grab this sequence here, which has a UFO in it. There we go. So that can be our sort of flag that we've reached the end of the clip. So now when you play the clip, you would expect to see the UFO, which is what you see, until you change, do a bit of time remapping, and then the end of the clip doesn't play. And that's the bug. So it goes black, so it's not going transparent. You can at this point you can extend the clip, which is a bit weird because there's nothing to there shouldn't be anything to extend. Like, why is the clip that long? Anyway, it still goes black though. It still doesn't play the end of the clip. So let's go in there again, and we'll set some in and out points and see if that helps. And it's still weird that there's more, that it's showing more of the clip. Like, what is that? Anyway, still doesn't work. Here's a little addenda. I was just sort of tooling around with this for a bit, and it started working. Look, it's showing the end of the clip, which is fine, except of course that it's only showing it because it's got all of this length here. And you know, I think the bug must have something to do with this. So what I just noticed was, if I get rid of the time remapping, look how long the clip is. Okay, so the nested sequence here is that length. It's like nearly a minute long. The nested sequence is still showing as 9 seconds long here, and the current speed is, oops, the current speed is set to 100. Now, if I set it back to 100, it jumps to the right size. So, but when it was at 100 before, it was at 100 because I'd removed the time remapping.